So we're about to leave Cambridge and we're going to head to North London. We're going to do some bowling and see some family and hopefully get some good Greek food, which we miss good Greek food, so that'll be nice. And then also see some friends that I've known since I was a baby, so yeah.
I'm gonna check you. I am not running away.
You know when you have left Cambridge and you have entered London, when it's busy, the houses are right next to each other and there's traffic everywhere, that's when you know. An hour and 10 minutes later, we have arrived in North London. We are here. This is the Hollywood Bowl, and this whole area is like the hot spot growing up when you're a 14-year-old that you would come. We had the cinema over there, we had the swimming pool, and it had an outdoor pool for the 2 days a year that it's actually hot enough to swim. And it had McDonald's, which was such a treat growing up.
Who?
You like your food?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, he's great.